Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll take you through a full guide on how to access the AI bot of Snapchat. If you're curious to explore the capabilities of Snapchat's AI-powered bot, stay tuned for this tutorial. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate the Chats button from the bottom drawer. It usually looks like a speech bubble icon. Tap on it to access your chat conversations. Step 3. Within the chat screen, scroll through your conversations until you find My Eye. Tap on it to open a chat with the AI bot. Now here's the exciting part. You can message the bot anything you like, and it will reply. It's a great opportunity to have fun, ask questions, or even engage in interactive conversations with the AI. The AI bot of Snapchat utilizes advanced algorithms to understand and respond to your messages, providing an interactive and engaging experience. Feel free to experiment and explore the capabilities of the AI bot. Whether it's asking for recommendations, playing games, or simply having a conversation, the AI bot is ready to respond. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.